Okay. A dot extend of B, then you can write print of A. In the previous example of this is similarly we have A is this list and B also list, then you can extend of B value. So, both are in list, you will get the result. But what is meant by add any iterable means here A value is list, okay, B value tuple, but whatever may be with the help of extend it allows any iterable, that is the meaning of this. Finally, you will be get that result for this condition is same, you will get A, that value is Kotesh and academy books and as well as project. Finally, you will get this type of. Okay. Thank you.
Now, the Python add list items are implemented in PyCharm. So, that is the first one is append items. Simply I am considering this here A is equal to in square brackets I am representing that value is Hyderabad. Next one is Pune in single quotation. Next comma. Next I am taking the Goa and Delhi. Here variable A contains 4 items. Now I would like to insert the particular item to this concept. At this moment we prefer that A dot append function used for to add the new at the end. Okay, so that's why you are using that in a general curly bracket we are using in single quotation. I am using that function is Chennai at the end. So, actually if you write the function for only A, there are 4 items, including that you will get total 5. Then print of A. Run the process. The first one is Hyderabad, next one is Pune, third one is Goa and fourth one is Delhi. At the end we are adding Chennai, that is called as here append item. And similarly, last time I used the same example, that is called as insert. Simply I am using that A dot insert, the which position you have to mention. Now I would like to introduce in between Hyderabad and Pune, that's why that position is 1. So simply that 1 comma Chennai. After that execution of this, you will get that the first one is Hyderabad and the first position is Chennai, and 0 position is Hyderabad, first position is Chennai, and next Pune, Goa, Delhi. After execution of that, it has total 5 items. So that's why we are using for inserting. Next one is extended. So extended concept is you have the many items in particular variable. With the help of that, you can use. For example, here B is equal to square bracket. I am using that function is Bangalore next one is Vizag, like that. Now I would like to add A and B. At this moment we are using that extended concept. So which function I would like to that here insert is replaced by extend A, and which function I would like to use that second function. So second function is B. So we have A value and B value. Then after execution of this, you will get all are in single line. So first one is Hyderabad, next one is Pune, third one is Goa, fourth one is Delhi. To the variable A, now I would like to extend Bangalore, Vizag. Like that you are able to get. This is called as your extend list. Next one is any iterable function you may add. So simply we are using the same example like that. Okay, I mean not in tuple, you may not in list, you can use this type of function is this, then only you will be get the same result. Okay, so this actual square bracket is list and this curve bracket is tuple, but extended instruction it allows all functions, like that you will be get the result. So finally we will get this is actual result. Thank you.